Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials, battery above 20% and your lock screen PIN ready. Once done, go straight into settings, then security and privacy. This is where Realme stores biometric options. Make sure any system update is installed before changing templates because software tweaks affect sensor behavior. Tap Fingerprint, authenticate with your PIN, then choose Add Fingerprint to start capturing. You're triggering the sensor's enrollment routine. Follow on screen, prompts to register a new design. Now you enroll the new fingerprint by placing your finger lightly on the sensor. Don't press too hard. You want to sample the center first, then rotate and lift slightly between touches so the system records edges and lateral ridges. This produces a robust template that unlocks reliably. As you progress, tap Confirm when the progress reaches 100%. Once recorded, assign a clear name to the fingerprint so you can manage multiple entries and avoid accidental deletions later on. Finish by testing the new fingerprint 3 to 5 times to verify quick, consistent unlocking. Try slightly different angles. If recognition is unreliable, delete duplicate templates and re-enroll with cleaner finger placement. Make sure fingerprint unlock is enabled for device and app access in settings. If problems persist, clean the sensor and update firmware. Sometimes cache or a pending OS patch causes errors. If you still see frequent failures, re-enroll after a restart. This often clears transient software issues and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.